What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the serial filler, all the randoms for the break. So this is for the serial filler. So if you weren't in the serial filler, this doesn't regard you. So I'm gonna do one timestamp, and then we have 5 different randoms to do. Each list we will run 3 times, and yeah, we are live at 12:26 a.m. It's 12:26 here in Dartmouth. So we're gonna go by the like the first cards we pull is the first random we're gonna do. So this is gonna be the Mantha Puck Auto. This is gonna be the Verano Jersey Trilogy Renditions. This is gonna be the Dubnyk Puck Auto. This is gonna be the Batherson Puck Auto, and then this one is gonna be all of the rookie renditions and the non-numbered inserts. So it's like a 40 card lot right here. So I got everybody in here. Just double check I have everyone. Yep, looks good. So 3 times on each list. Good luck, everybody. Again, this is for the Mantha. 1, 2, 3. Dave. Congrats on that, Dave. Next, for the Verano rookie renditions. 1, 2, 3. Danny. Congrats on that. For the Dubnyk Puck Auto. 1, 2, 3. Rubel. And for the Batherson Puck Auto. 1, 2, 3. Clancy. I think we've had new winners every time. And for the rookie lot, good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Clancy. And guys, there you have it.